How to use Threads hidden word filter. So for that, open your Threads, and in here simply tap on your profile icon right here. Then from here tap on the menu bar on the top right corner. After doing that, here you'll get the option of content preferences. Tap on that, and in here you can see hidden words. Simply tap on that, and now you can customize your own hidden word. Tap on new filter if you want, or you can tap on custom filter. Here you can get the option of hide common offensive words and replies. If you tap on that one, you can now toggle on this button if you want to, just like this. Now all of the offensive and sensitive words will be hidden from you. If you go back here, we have the option of new filter. If you tap on it, now you can create yourself your own hidden word. So in here you can now select whom you want to hide this post from. So I'm going to select anyone, and how long you want it until I turn it off. I've selected that one, and in here tap on add words. Now you can create your own words in here. So what I'm going to do is create one just like this, and then tap on tick, and all you need to do is go back in here and tap on save, and that is how you can use Threads hidden word filter, and that's it.